if you don't want to install Python, then you can use Python Online. For this, you go to replittubex, start coding, import from GitHub. For the address, you will take this one. Import from GitHub. Here is your project with your main program here. If I want to run it, I click Run. This is the vibe window, and here is your tube. So if I want to change the program, I stop here. Then, for instance, I will take here, instead of this one, for instance, I will put 100. I run it. The vibe window, and here it is my new tube. If you want to send someone your program, you just take this link. So we can receive it like this. We click here, and we get your program with the execution.